This is our flat iron hoop forming machine. Multi-process integrated processing. Complete the entire process of straightening, punching, bending, cutting, and forming in one go. Support customized production adaptable to different sizes, shapes of clamps. High precision molding control. The CNC system precisely regulates the bending, angle, and position to ensure product consistency. Quick mold change and adaptation, flexible switching between production of different specifications of products. Applicable materials include metal strips such as flat iron, stainless steel, aluminum alloy, etc. Do you also have similar processing needs? Feel free to discuss with me anytime.